What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, back with another one. I'm Mr. T-Shirt, and in today's video, we talking summer shorts. Since I've been getting a lot of questions about shorts for the summer from customers, crafters, and even business owners, I figured why not do a video while I'm actually working on a short order and let you guys know where I get my shorts from, the different colors, pricing, how they fit, and all that good stuff. Now, I'm not too sure about you ladies and gentlemen out there, but I'm a huge sneaker fan. So color sways play a big part of my decision making when choosing my summer shorts. Not only just my shorts, but my summer wardrobe altogether. My style is usually a plain white t-shirt with shorts to match my kicks or socks. Oh yeah, I'm also a stylish sock person as well. But if you want to see how to design and make your own socks, click on the link right up here in the corner and check that out. But today, we want to know where to buy shorts and what kind of shorts to buy. So let's start with who is this vendor and what they offer when it comes to summer shorts. So the name of the company we're talking about today, some of you may be familiar with, is Circle Clothing. I've done videos again in the past on Circle Clothing, but they're known for their Perfect hoodie and joggers as well. So I definitely recommend checking them out for blanks and apparel. Now, before I jump over to the order that I'm working on and show you the shorts that I'm using from Circle Clothing, let's take a look at the website real quick just to go over the pricing and also take a look at the different colors that they have to offer as well. All right, so we come over to Circle Clothing's website. This is the homepage. All right, as you can see, they have different style hoodies, women's, unisex, men's, tie-dyes, short sleeves, you name it. As far as blank apparel, they have it. You go to the homepage, you have your tees, you have different types style tees, you have your soft loom t-shirts, your tie-dye t-shirts, tri-blends, heavyweights, and then you also have your soft loom women's t-shirts. All right, so if we take a look at the soft loom t-shirts, these come in so many different colors. Again, this is why I love to use Circle Clothing for myself personally when it comes to summer apparel or my t-shirts or my summer wardrobe, because just on the fact of all the different colors that they have. And again, I like to match my sneakers or my socks with my either t-shirt or my shorts. So this brand actually fits my needs, hence why I use it. They're not too expensive and they're great material for me to print on and put my own custom artwork on as well. So that's why I like to use it. So the t-shirts here, as you can see, different colors. Like I said, you have your red, black, white, blue, gray, navy, purple, green, all these different colors here. As you just scroll through, you can take a look and you can see very inexpensive, $3.99. All right. Now, of course, as you go up in size, you go to the 2XLs, anything bigger than an extra large, of course, it's going to be a little more. So then you go up $1 more. These only go up to 2XLs, I believe. Let's see. Let's try a different color maybe. Yeah, I believe all of them only go up to 2XL. That's the only downside to Circle Clothing's t-shirts, but I do believe that they're working on getting some bigger sizes in production. So if we go back to the tie-dye t-shirts now, again, right now they're having a special. Looks like you buy 3 for $15, so that's $5 a t-shirt, guys, for a tie-dye blank t-shirt. You guys can't beat that. Normally they're $6.99 each. They're doing a 3 for $14.99. So make sure you guys use my affiliate link down in the description below for Circle Clothing's website to take advantage of any of these sales or deals on the site. As you see, they have a lot of dope tie-dye colors and color sways going on. All right, so definitely check those out. As you see, you want to order quickly because these sell out rather fast. All right, so anything that's sold out, they usually restock within a few weeks. So just keep checking back with their website. All right, then you have your tri-blend t-shirts. Okay, right now they're on sale. They're only offering these, or only available in the Heather Tri-Blend, Charcoal Heather Tri-Blend, and the Heather Gray. All right. So then you jump over to your fleece. Like I said, you have your hoodies, your joggers, sweatshirts, classic shorts, lightweight hoodies, youth hoodies, tie-dye joggers. Then you have your unbranded collection, which is the Perfect Unbranded shorts. Okay, these are the shorts that I'll actually be working on in my order. Actually, it's this orange here, all right, which is a very nice color. And as you can see, the price of the shorts are $11.99 each. Okay, now the difference between the classic, I think the classic, they are a little longer, which is the 8001. I believe they're like right over the knee or right under the knee. I can't remember which one it is. But I know that one is right underneath the knee and one is right above the knee. All right, whether it's the classic or the unbranded. Can't remember exactly which one is which, but the Perfect Unbranded shorts is the ones that I'm working with on this order. Again, lots of different colors. All right, they're $11.99, and of course, as usual, you get anything larger than the extra large, and it's $1 or $2 more. So then the 2X is $13.99. All right, so definitely use these guys. Check out the affiliate link below. Check out Circle Clothing's website. All right, now let's jump over to the job that I'm working on with these shorts and show you guys what I have going on with this order. All right, guys, so the shorts that I'm wearing here are the orange Perfect Unbranded fleece shorts. This is a size medium. As you see, it fits very comfortably. All right, the pockets are nice and deep. All right, some shorts you have shallow pockets so you can't fit too much in. I like the fact that the pockets are deep enough where you can put something in your pockets comfortably and not worry really about losing it. Also has that back pocket back here, again, which is kind of deep. All right, I don't really keep too much stuff in my back pocket, but it's always good to have. All right, but overall, feels great. All right, and it's not too baggy. I definitely prefer these here. These look great. They feel great. All right, they don't feel too heavy or too hot, you know, wearing them in the summertime. And this is definitely the wave I'm on this summer when it comes to my shorts. All right, and what I'm going to be mix and matching with my socks and my sneakers and just moving around the summer, enjoying my summer with. All right, you're going to catch me kicking back at a pool, on a beach, wherever it is, having some drinks this summer with the family, kicking back and enjoying in my circle shorts. All right, so definitely click that affiliate link below. Check out their website as we went through before, and make sure to get you some before all the flavor colors are sold out. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell, because I make videos like this all the time. It's been your boy, Mr. T-Shirt. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Peace. Situations getting worse.